Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. My dear students, today I am going to give you the Social Science SSLC Karnataka State Board blueprint as per the revised reduced syllabus and also the new pattern. Let's begin with today's class. As you can see here, this is Social Science blueprint for the academic year 2021 as per the revised reduced syllabus. As you all knows it, this year the total question paper will be as per the multiple choice question pattern. Now first let me start from history. My dear students, as you can see here, let me go quick and have a recap from which chapter how many marks the questions can be asked in your SSLC final board exam 2021. So this video we are making by analyzing your model question paper which is being prescribed from your SSLC board and also by the suggestion of the experts. History, the first chapter is Advent of Europeans to India, and next extension of British rule. I'm just writing the titles, okay. Extension of British rule. Next, the impact of the British rule in India, and fourth is opposition to the British rule in Karnataka. Next, social and religious reform movement. Next, the first war of Indian independence, and then freedom movement. Next chapter is era of Gandhi and national movement, and next chapter is post independent India. Now let me see the marks how they are going to classify. From Advent of Europeans to India, you can expect around 1 mark. Extension of British rule in India, you can expect around 1 mark. Impact of British rule in India, you can expect around 1 mark. Opposition to British rule in Karnataka, you can expect around 2 marks. Social and religious reformation movement, you can expect around 1 mark. The first war of Indian independence, you can expect around 1 mark. Next, freedom movement, you can expect around 2 marks. Era of Gandhi and national movement, you can expect around 3 marks. Post independent India, you can expect around 1 mark. So totally you can expect from the history 13 marks. Is this clear? This is from the history. And now let me come to the next topic is political science. Political science. Now let me see how the marks are going to be classified. The first chapter is Problems of India and Solution. Second chapter is Foreign Policy. Next chapter is India's relationship with other countries. Next chapter is Global Problems and India's role. And next chapter is International Institutions. Now if we are going to see the marks how they are going to classify, from Problems of India and Solution you can expect around 1 mark. Foreign Policy 1 mark. India's relationship with other countries 1 mark. Global Problems and India's role 1 mark. Next, International Institutions around 1 mark. So altogether you can expect 5 marks. You can expect around 5 marks, and here we can expect around 13 marks. So this is your social science blueprint as per the reduced syllabus and new pattern multiple choice question based. Okay, and now let me see the next topic which is sociology. If we see the sociology, okay, how the marks are going to classify. The first chapter is social stratification. Next is labor. Third is social movements. Next is social problems. Okay, the first chapter is social stratification, second is labor, social movements and social problems. If you are going to see the marks, how they are going to classify: for social stratification around 1 mark, labor 1 mark, social movement 1 mark, social problems 1 mark. So altogether you can expect around 4 marks from sociology. And next, coming back to geography, how the marks are going to classify. First chapter is Indian physiography. Second chapter is Indian climate. Next is Indian soils. Next is Indian forest resources. Next is Indian water resources. Next, Indian land resources. Next, transport and communication. Next, industry. Next, natural disaster. Now if you are going to see the marks, Indian physiography, it carries 1 mark, climate 1 mark, Indian soils 1 mark, Indian forest resources 1 mark, Indian water resources 1 mark, Indian land resources 1 mark, transport and communication 3 marks, industry 1 mark, natural disaster 1 mark. So altogether 11 marks. So we can expect around 11 marks from geography. Now the next topic, let we see economics. If you are going to see here, only we have 2 chapters. Number 1 is development and second is rural development. Am I right, children? Yes. See students, development and rural development. Please don't mind if I am going to call you as children's, because it's become an habit while speaking with the students. Okay, anyways, development and rural development. Development, it carries around 1 mark and rural development, it carries around 2 marks. So altogether from economics you can score around 3 marks. Next, coming back to business study. So this is the last topic, business studies. Okay, my dear students, still if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon. And after watching this complete video, share this video as much as possible with your all friends and your classmates. Okay, good. And don't forget to click the like button. Now as you can see here, the first chapter is bank transactions and second chapter is consumer education and protection. Now we can see here, from banking transaction you can score around 2 marks, from consumer education and protection you can score around 2 marks. So altogether total is 4 marks. Is this clear? I hope the concept is clear for you all. Am I right, students? Yes. So this is your complete social science for your upcoming board exam 2021 blueprint. I hope this class is very helpful. This session is very helpful. Now you can plan how the best you can prepare for your upcoming board exam. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well and also do take care of your health. Take care. Bye bye.